Hi, this is Makran Karanchkar. I'm with Wohler Technologies, and we're pleased to be here at IBC 2025. We're happy to be presenting a brand new product called the iVAM2-MPEG. This is an MPEG SRT monitor that is capable of doing H.264 and H.265 video monitoring of SRT streams. The unit is a 2RU box which comes with an RJ45 to accept MPEG transport streams. It includes support for 2110. We have 4 SFP slots for 2110. We have 2 SDI 12G monitoring slots, and we have an option slot that can take Dante or Ravenna in addition to MADI and analog. The unit has 16-channel analog output, so if you'd like to listen to a full 8-channel program, you can do that in a studio setup. This unit, like all of the other I-series units that we have, comes with a built-in web server, allowing you to monitor stuff remotely. You can look at meters and use the web interface to configure presets and software upgrades and various parameters within the unit. The unit is also capable of monitoring packet drops and network conditions in general, and it also monitors SCTI tags. SCTI tags are critical for ad splicing, and so missing SCTI tags is a fairly important capability inside the unit for customers that are using MPEG transport. So this is one product. The other product that we are previewing at IBC this time is a native 2110 unit that we call the iVAM2 ST2110. This is a preview. We plan to ship this unit in late Q1, and this unit is capable of 10G hitless 2110 and out-of-band NMOS control. In-band is available, but so is a discrete external out-of-band NMOS control port. All 3 are SFPs. The main data ports are 10 gig. This can be 10 gig or 1 gig based on your choice. The unit also has an option card slot where we intend to offer a 25 gig a pair of 25 gig SFPs for 4K over 2110. In addition to so what's unique about this 2110 monitor is that this uses regular network SFPs, and so it supports single mode as well as multi-mode 2110 monitoring. It includes an HDMI in and HDMI out port. This is also native, which means we can parse out content like Dolby Atmos for monitoring on the unit. This is a preview, so we haven't mentioned the entire gamut of features, but when we ship in late Q1, it'll be a comprehensive unit that's capable of a whole bunch of software capabilities. So that's what we previewed. In addition, this is something we launched at IBC 24, and we won the Best of Show. This is Maverick, which is our remote monitoring, advanced remote monitoring software system. And what Maverick does is that it receives audio and video signals from probes that can be installed remotely and allows you to monitor these probes from anywhere in the world. What you see here is just a standard browser, and this is a cloud-based application with options for deployment on-prem. If customers would prefer that. The probes themselves are installed within our in-rack gear. So all our I-series products have these probes either as a piece of software. When it's software, the probe functions as an audio-only probe, and when it's audio and video, then it's available in the form of a card that plugs in, the way this card has been indicated in this slot. So that allows you to utilize the monitor sort of as if you had 2 monitors within the same unit, because the presence of these probes in the monitor does not interfere with the front panel operation. So the operator sitting in front of the unit does not know that there is a separate probe and that it's transmitting any signal remotely. The nice thing about this is that in addition to having a web interface, it is accompanied by a mobile app that you can use to receive alerts from these probes, and also to look at probes remotely. So you can monitor probes, you can hear audio, and you can even see loudness. So this app is part of the Maverick ecosystem. In Digibox, we have highly skilled technical partners who have a deep understanding of technology, and so we welcome you to reach out to Digibox if you'd like to learn more of our products, about our products. The products tend to be sophisticated and very technology centric, easy to operate, but very capable. And so in Digibox we have highly qualified partners that are ready and willing to help you to set things and get you going.